sidewalk? Okay, we can back up then. Look at that. That is like excellent.
There we
Right
go.
on, that is very good. Yep. You see a little blue light there and the green light on your dash? That's your high beams. Right under the BSM.
Yep.
That's your high beams. So somewhere along the way you must have pushed it forward. So you just click it back and that'll turn your high beams off.
I don't know when that went on.
Yeah, it triggers my OCD. See, when I see that, I was like, oh